You might not hear iQOO's name tossed around often in the smartphone wars, but that's about to change in a big way. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back. The Vivo-owned brand has just unveiled its Q3 gaming chip, and it could shake up the mobile gaming world like never before. The Q3 chip, called Mobile Graphics Card, is designed to work alongside a phone's main processor and not as a replacement, giving games a massive visual and performance upgrade. While it's the third-gen Q chip from iQOO, this time it's going all in. The Q3 is the only chip in the industry to support full scene ray tracing, super resolution, and super frame rates. But what's that? Full scene ray tracing brings console-level lighting and reflections to your mobile screen instead of just in parts of the scene like current mobile ray tracing. Super resolution uses AI to upscale graphics for sharper visuals without killing performance, and super frame rates mean buttery smooth gameplay even in heavy games. But there's a catch. You'll need an iQOO phone to unlock this beast. The first device confirmed to carry the Q3 is the upcoming iQOO 15, which already sounds like a mobile gaming monster. We're talking a 6.85-inch QHD display with 144Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite chip, and a leaked Geekbench score that rivals the iPhone 17 Pro Max in single-core and crushes it in multi-core. It's also rumored to have a 7000 mAh battery and triple 50-megapixel cameras. This all suddenly makes iQOO not just a niche brand, but a serious competitor. So if you're a mobile gaming fan, this is one phone and chip you'll want to watch. What do you think about this? Tell us in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.